Hello, and welcome to Charles County Public Library. Today we are showing how to navigate and use some features of NoveList, an online resource provided by the library. NoveList can be used to search for book series, audiobooks, book and series readalikes, works of authors, author readalikes, and the availability of books. By selecting Readalike options under the brief descriptions on the results list after a search, another list is provided. In that list will be books that, though are not by the same author or in the same series, are in a similar vein as the book or author searched. Checking the availability of the book will show the library system catalog and display whether the book is in the system and if it can have a hold placed on it. A hold can be placed directly from this location. We hope this short video was helpful. Have a great day.